Thornton Sr. wanted to have the perfect baby. Instead, after a difficult delivery at North Shore Medical Center in Miami, the obstetrician presented the first-time parents with a baby boy who was blue, floppy, and not crying. It took a medical team to revive him. Dixon, who was 19 years old at the time, said the doctor blamed her for not pushing hard enough, and that he never offered to perform a cesarean section, which could have saved the baby's brain from being starved of oxygen, causing permanent damage. Doctors told Dixon and Reese Thornton Sr. that their baby, Earl Jr., would live maybe 1 year. He turned 3 in December. And 4 months later, a federal judge awarded the family a $33.8 million judgment to provide a lifetime of care for the boy, whom everyone calls EJ. EJ cannot walk or talk, and he needs around-the-clock attention from a nurse. He has been hospitalized about 30 times since he was born on December 2, 2013. Doctors have performed a tracheotomy to help him breathe and inserted a feeding tube. He takes dozens of medications to control seizures and prevent infections, and he will need physical therapy. Dixon is relieved that the judgment will provide EJ with the intensive care he will need for the rest of his life, but she wishes the doctor who delivered EJ would apologize. The doctor, Ata Atogo, was found negligent for failing to offer to perform a C-section, which Dixon said she repeatedly requested during labor. According to the court record, Atogo falsified the patient record to indicate that Dixon had refused a C-section. He also took an 8-minute phone call from his stockbroker. But the case was his word against Dixon's and Reese Thornton Sr., who was in the room the entire time. But that changed when the nurse in charge during Dixon's delivery stepped forward and testified that the doctor had lied. He never offered to perform a C-section. Despite the permanent brain damage that Atogo caused to EJ and the fact that he falsified a patient's record, Atogo has not been disciplined and his Florida medical license remains untarnished.